Financing in teacher education. Financing in teacher education in Pakistan, like in many other countries, plays a crucial role in determining the quality and effectiveness of teacher training programs. Teacher education is a critical component of the education system as it directly impacts the quality of teaching and subsequently all over quality of education in country. In Pakistan, financing for teacher education primarily comes from various sources including the government, international donors and private institutions. Here are some key aspects of financing in teacher education in Pakistan. Number 1 is government funding. The government of Pakistan allocates a significant portion of its education budget to teacher education. This includes funding for teacher training institutes, colleges, and universities that offer programs in education. These funds are used for faculty salaries, infrastructure development, curriculum development, and other essential aspects of teacher education. Donor assistance. Pakistan received financial support for international organizations and donors such as World Bank, UNESCO, and various foreign governments to improve the quality of teacher education. These funds often target specific areas such as curriculum development, teacher training materials, and improve the capacity of teacher training institutions. Then private sector involvement. Private sector institutions and non-government organizations like NGOs also contribute to finance teacher education in Pakistan. Some private universities and organizations offer teacher education program and they may receive funding from tuition fee, donates and grants. To encourage students to pursue career in teaching, the government and various organizations provide scholarship and grants to students pursuing teacher education programs. These financial incentives help reduce the financial burden on aspiring teachers. Research and development. Financing is also required for research and development in the field of teacher education. These include funding for research projects, studies, and the development of innovative teaching methods and materials. Then infrastructure development. Adequate infrastructure such as well-equipped classrooms, libraries, and technology resources is essential for teacher education institutions. Funding is necessary to establish and maintain these facilities. Then professional development. In addition to initial teacher training programs, ongoing professional development is crucial for teachers to stay updated with the latest teaching technologies and educational trends. Then challenges and consideration. Despite the allocation of funds, there are often challenges is the effective utilization of resources, transparency in financial management, and equitable distribution of funding among different regions and institutions. Ensuring that financing lead to tangible improvement in teacher education quality and outcome is a key challenge. Monitoring and evaluation mechanisms are necessary to assess the impact of funding also. Adequate funding alone may not address all issues in teacher education. There is a need for comprehensive reforms in curriculum, teaching methods, and assessment to improve the overall quality of teacher education programs. Financing in teacher education in Pakistan is essential for developing a well-qualified and motivated teaching workforce. Effective allocation and utilization of funds in conjunction with systematic reforms are critical for ensuring that teacher education in Pakistan meets the needs of the education system and ultimately the students also.